Have you ever felt like your woodworking projects could be more precise, easier, and even faster? You're not alone. Many woodworkers, both professionals and hobbyists, face the same frustrations: imperfect cuts, complicated assemblies, and tools that just don't perform. But here's the solution. Today, I'm bringing you the 15 best woodworking tools on Amazon. These tools won't just solve those problems, they'll help you work like a pro. And don't worry, I've included links in the description so you can check prices or buy the ones you need. Let's get started. Let's start with the Jorgenson Bar Clamp Set. Have you ever needed an extra hand during your projects? This set is perfect for holding your pieces securely while you glue, drill, or assemble. Made from durable steel, these clamps provide consistent pressure and long-lasting performance. Plus, their adjustable design makes them ideal for both small DIY projects and larger furniture builds. Whether you're fixing frames, building cabinets, or working on custom furniture, these clamps will make your workflow smoother and more efficient. They're versatile, reliable, and an essential addition to any workshop. Next is the FastCap PSSR-16 measuring tape, a must-have for precise measurements. This isn't just any tape measure, it features a built-in writing pad that lets you jot down measurements directly on your materials. The blade is clear and easy to read, helping you avoid mistakes. Its compact size and sturdy construction make it ideal for both home projects and professional tasks. The locking mechanism ensures your measurements stay in place, and it's easy to carry around, fitting comfortably in your pocket or tool belt. Whether you're measuring wood planks or mapping out a large project, this tool makes it all effortless. Now, let's talk about the Weedles corner clamp. If you've struggled to get perfect right-angle joints, this tool is your answer. Its adjustable and durable construction ensures precise alignment, making it ideal for projects like picture frames, drawers, or cabinets. With a simple setup and secure grip, it's easy to handle, even for beginners. You can use it for woodworking, welding, or crafting metal frames. Whether you're assembling large furniture or tackling smaller, detailed jobs, this clamp ensures everything comes together perfectly without unnecessary hassle. The DWinner wood router is essential for adding decorative and functional touches to your work. Its powerful motor and easy-to-adjust settings allow you to create edges, grooves, and intricate finishes with impressive precision. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it comfortable to use over extended periods. This router handles tough jobs effortlessly, from shaping tabletops to carving intricate patterns. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to expand your skills or a seasoned professional, this tool is versatile enough to suit all your creative woodworking needs. For fine details, the Swezen SK001 Japanese pull saw is a must-have. This saw, made with high-quality Japanese steel, delivers incredibly accurate cuts with minimal effort. It's lightweight, easy to control, and perfect for everything from joinery to detailed woodworking projects like marquetry. The pull-motion design reduces fatigue, allowing for extended use without compromising accuracy. Whether you're making intricate cuts on softwoods or precise adjustments on hardwoods, this tool will enhance your precision and take your craftsmanship to another level. The Jorgenson Chamfer plane is a small but mighty tool for refining edges or creating beveled details. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, and the sharp, durable blade cuts smoothly through wood. The compact size makes it easy to handle, especially in tight spaces or detailed areas. Whether you're smoothing rough edges or adding a decorative touch, this plane is perfect for achieving polished results with ease. It's built to last, ensuring consistent performance for years of woodworking projects. Don't overlook the Amazon Basics Chisel Set, a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. These chisels come in various sizes, making them versatile enough for a range of tasks from carving to cutting joints. The sharp blades and comfortable handles ensure precision and control, making them a great addition to any woodworker's toolkit. They're perfect for beginners and professionals alike, offering excellent durability for repetitive use. Whether you're creating fine details or working on heavy-duty wood removal, this set has you covered. The Wolfcraft Dowel Guide simplifies the process of creating strong, precise joints. This easy-to-use guide ensures accurate drilling and alignment for dowel connections. It's a must-have for projects that require sturdy assembly, like tables, chairs, or cabinets. The durable construction ensures longevity, and its compact size makes it easy to store. Whether you're repairing furniture or building from scratch, this guide makes complex joinery straightforward and accessible for anyone. For accuracy in measuring and cutting, the 3D MultiAngle Square is a top choice. Its versatile design features multiple angle markings, allowing you to make precise cuts and measurements with ease. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability for any project. Whether you're marking 45-degree angles or working on complex layouts, this tool is indispensable for precision work. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to handle and perfect for both small projects and large-scale woodworking tasks. The NickPro Carpenter pencil is more than just a pencil. With an ergonomic design and durable lead, it's perfect for marking on various surfaces, from wood to metal. Its sharpener ensures crisp lines every time, making it a reliable tool for precise layout work. The built-in clip keeps it secure, and the robust design ensures it won't break easily. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in your projects, helping you work efficiently without interruptions. The DeWalt right-angle attachment solves the problem of working in tight spaces. This robust attachment lets you drill or drive screws at awkward angles, giving you the flexibility to tackle challenging jobs. Compatible with most drills, it's a lifesaver for hard-to-reach spots in cabinetry, furniture, or renovations. The compact design ensures easy handling, and the durable construction guarantees it will hold up under pressure. With this attachment, even the toughest angles become manageable, saving you time and frustration. The Craig Jig Pocket Hole System is perfect for creating clean, professional-looking joints. This tool makes drilling pocket holes easy and accurate, ensuring strong and seamless assembly. It's ideal for furniture projects or any woodworking that demands a polished finish. The durable construction ensures consistent results, while the intuitive design makes it suitable for users of all experience levels. Whether you're building shelves or assembling large furniture pieces, this jig is a must-have for your shop. The Jorgensson Contour Gauge is a genius tool for duplicating complex shapes. It's ideal for transferring patterns or matching irregular cuts, such as fitting wood around pipes or molding. With its easy-to-use and connectable design, this gauge saves time and ensures precision. The adjustable pins provide flexibility for various projects, and its durable build guarantees it will last. Whether you're crafting intricate designs or ensuring a perfect fit, this tool is essential for any detailed woodworking task. The Orgensson 3.5-inch Miniwood planer is a compact tool perfect for detail work and fine adjustments. Its portable size makes it easy to bring to the job site, and its sharp, adjustable blade ensures smooth and precise cuts. The ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to use even during long sessions. This planer is ideal for fine-tuning edges, making it a versatile and practical addition to your woodworking arsenal. Finally, the wood moisture meter is essential for checking the moisture content of your wood. Using properly dried wood is critical to preventing warping or cracking in your projects. This meter is easy to use and provides accurate readings, giving you confidence in the stability of your materials. The compact size makes it portable, and the intuitive interface ensures quick and reliable results. It's a small but crucial tool for maintaining the quality and longevity of your projects. If you're just starting, prioritize the essentials, like the Jorgenson Bar Clamps, FastCap PSSR16 measuring tape, and Wolfcraft Dowel guide. These tools will immediately improve the accuracy and efficiency of your work. For detailed cuts and finishing touches, the Swezen pull saw, Jorgenson Chamfer plane, and Amazon Basics Chisel Set are great choices. If you frequently assemble furniture, the Craig Jig and Wadhall's corner clamp will make your work faster and more professional. For precise measurements, the 3D MultiAngle Square and NickPro Carpenter pencil are invaluable. And don't forget problem solvers like the DeWalt right angle attachment for tight spaces and the Jorgensson Contour Gauge for complex shapes. The wood moisture meter is a must if you work with raw or reclaimed wood, ensuring your projects remain durable over time. Remember, the links are in the description for more details or to purchase the tools that suit you best. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next video.